Hi, I'm Axel and I'm a data scientist at Mediaan. Predictive analytics is making a big splash in the logistics and supply chain industry. It provides information today in light of what is to be expected tomorrow. You can imagine the benefit it supplies to companies in retail or simply any company that faces challenges in logistics or supply chain. I'm going to talk about 3 different predictions and how your supply chain is going to benefit from them. Number 1. Predict the demand of your products. Knowing the popularity of each of your products allows you to optimize your warehouse and the cost of your storage. High demand products will be ordered frequently and should be put in the front of your warehouse. On the other hand, products with lower demand will not be ordered that often and can be put in the back of your warehouse. Also, knowing the approximate demand of each of your products allows you to manage your inventory well. This will prevent over or understocking. Number 2. Predict the demand of your customers. Predicting the demand of your customers is slightly different from predicting the demand of your products, but it will give you a lot of new opportunities. Knowing which customer will order your products on which day gives you more time to optimize your transport. You can make better decisions about outsourcing your orders to other parties. You can also optimize your human resource schedules. If you know peaks in your workload beforehand, you can choose to keep less people on standby. This reduces your costs and gives your people a more predictable work environment. Number 3. Predict machine failure. Machine failure can cause parts of your supply chain to slow down or stop completely until the problem is fixed. This can lead to severe costs. Luckily, most machines are equipped with various sensors for various measurements such as temperature and voltage. These measurements can be combined with other information about the machine to predict when the machine will fail. This allows you to schedule maintenance before the machine breaks. It also allows you to stall the maintenance on machines that are unlikely to fail in the near future. This reduces the cost of your operations. We call this predictive maintenance. That's it for this round of Mediaan Talks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.